How to remove CapCut template watermark. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove the CapCut template watermark. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're seeing this kind of watermark on your videos when you're making CapCut videos and you don't want that watermark on your device when you download or export the video, so it is very simple. You just need to simply tap on this export option. After that, you can easily see this export and export without watermark. So if you tap on this export option below this TikTok icon, you'll get the CapCut watermark. But if you tap on this export without watermark, you will be redirected to TikTok. You just need to wait for some seconds. So here you can see there is not any kind of watermark here. So in order to download it without any watermark, you just need to simply tap on this share option and you can see this post to save without watermark. You may just simply tap on it, and after that simply download that video into a device, or I think that video has automatically been downloaded onto a device. So you may just simply open up your gallery. In my gallery, that video is available already without any watermark. So you just need to follow the same step and you'll be able to download the video without any watermark from CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.